This is the LG 27UP650W, and it is probably the best 4K monitor under $300. It has a very color accurate 4K 60Hz IPS display, and as the super creative name suggests, I got the 27-inch version. The display is exactly 59.9 centimeters wide and 33.6 centimeters tall, with a color accuracy of 95% DCI-P3, which is a newer RGB spectrum that has around 26% more than sRGB, which means this monitor has a sRGB value of over 100%. This makes the monitor perfect for photo and video editing, as well as graphic design work. With a peak brightness of 400 nits and an anti-glare coating, the display stays perfectly visible in practically all scenarios. The port selections on this model are one DisplayPort, two HDMI 2.0 ports, and one 3.5mm audio out port. Unfortunately, this model does not come with any USB ports. For that, you would need to upgrade to the 27UP850W, but it costs around €100 more. So if you really need a USB-C port or two USB-A ports, then maybe consider buying that model. The control/power button definitely takes some getting used to. It is very straightforward and intuitive to use, however it does get a little bit tedious to have to click 7 times just to change the brightness and exit the menu. I just wish the button was a bit more customizable so that clicking up and down would change the brightness, for example. It is a very small issue though, and probably won't affect you that much. The menu itself is quite easy to use. You can click downwards to select from the 10 different picture modes. Choose your input, and then also some basic settings, such as activating the AMD FreeSync. However, this display only goes to 60 Hz, so if you're really into gaming, this probably isn't the monitor for you. However, I can confirm that playing GTA in 4K HDR looks very good. The stand feels very well built and is very easy to adjust, allowing you to raise and lower the monitor with just one finger. It also tilts a fair amount and can rotate 90 degrees. But if you're anything like me, you will pretty much remove the stand and replace it with a cheap €15 monitor arm almost immediately. Which is a shame because the stand definitely looks very good. I would like to take this time to thank you for watching this video and the YouTube algorithm for recommending it to you, or however you found it. I am a very new channel and this is my first video. I plan on uploading more content related to tech reviews, such as this mouse or another keyboard that I own, but I am also a designer, so I will be uploading more content related to design, and I have also added the unboxing of this monitor, so if you're interested in that, please enjoy this montage of me unboxing this monitor.